the hell, dude? Wake up. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Get away from me. I should wait for you. Stop. Go faster. Not like that. Oh, this idiot. So it was cut off. You can shut off your high beams. Good next time. Yep. Get off my ass, dude. Thank you. Accident. Get any closer, please? Thank you. I think you were in the red. Yeah, we're all running the red. That's good. Everybody run the fucking red. No problem. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Yo, wake up, Toyotard. Toyotard. Yellow. Red. FedEx are in the red. Everybody block the intersection. Watch this. It's going to turn green for us. And this idiot in the Cadillac will just be sitting there. See? Yep. Thank you. Everybody block the fucking intersection. It's wonderful. Yep. 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 Now you're gonna stop before you turn. Camroid. Nope. 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 I'm not gonna make these lights. Nope. It's no turn on red, officer. Bitch! Got a blinker, got a blinker, got a blinker. You got a blinker. That's cut off. That's the next dive. Cut off, yeah. Get a little closer, for fuck's sake. Yes, I know the back window is filthy. Thank you. It's covered in salt. I'll try to get to the car wash today. That wasn't a stop, and this won't be either. I was correct. fun enough. Thank you. Stop? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, I was gonna let that exit regret go, but there was an exit dive also, so fuck it. Some tailgating action back there. Yep, there he goes. Okay. Yeah. Exit dive. Yeah, don't run the red. You're in the red. Oh, you're in the red. Oh, you're in the red. Yep. Out. Asshole. Douchebag. Volks maggot. Jeep. Great. Didn't stop. Thank you. Prius didn't stop. I don't think the Corolla stopped either. Can we go? Can I go? Come on. I hate this fucking turn. Hi, someone's coming. Hello, 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 hello.